Ow! Oh! Don't claw me. Oh, bushy mama, pussycat. Look at this girl. Oh, she digs them in. She's got to be careful. She's gotten whacked a number of times by me today. I didn't mean to hit her. I never hit kittens or cats. It's just that I need to traverse my apartment, and she sneak attacks. She jumps, comes behind, runs in between my stride, and I end up kicking her. Oh my God, she just doesn't learn. And I go crazy because I think I hurt her. And thank God I haven't hurt her yet. But she sure as hell hurts me sometimes with these claws, I gotta tell you. Yeah. Oh, I saved her life. She's been with me, what, 5 years, 3 weeks now? Right? And 5 years and a week ago, she gave birth to this guy here and 5 others. And the 2 pussycat sisters are sleeping. And my, oh yeah, I can't change this around, huh? Oh, look at my Tigres. My Tigres. Boy, mama, pussycat. Oh, look at that. Look at what good pictures you take, Tigres.